Welcome to Nyam Nyam. We've got unicorn fudge for you today. Fantastic. Start by melting 110 grams of unsalted butter, 390 grams of caster sugar and 120 grams of double butter on the stove for about 4 minutes, mixing it all together. Once it's bubbling, we're going to add in 140 grams of mini marshmallows and 225 grams of white chocolate chips. Yum! Once that's all melted together, we're going to split the mixture into 3 bowls. Add yellow food colouring to the first bowl, blue food colouring to the second, and pink food colouring to the third. Now we've got a cake tin which we've lined with some baking paper, and we're going to layer up our coloured mixtures, starting with yellow, then blue, spreading it out evenly, and finally pink. Create some patterns. Add some decorations. And chill it for 2 hours. Once it's ready, just peel off the baking paper and slice. And there you have 8 fantastic pieces of unicorn fudge. Colourful.